Understanding Deal Expires Soon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might encounter in English, especially when shopping or browsing online. Deal expires soon. If you've ever been curious about what this means and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: deal and expires soon. A deal, in this context, refers to a special offer or a discount that a store or service provides. It usually means you can buy something at a lower price than usual. Now, let's look at expire soon. To expire means to come to an end or to no longer be valid. When we add soon to it, it indicates that this end is approaching quickly. So, putting it all together, deal expires soon means that the special offer or discount will not be available after a short amount of time. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. You might see deal expires soon in advertisements, emails, or on websites. It's a call to action, urging you to take advantage of the offer before it's no longer available. For example, an online store might send an email saying, "Hurry up. This deal expires soon," to encourage you to buy something before the sale ends. Understanding phrases like deal expires soon is crucial, especially if you're living in an English-speaking country or shopping on English websites. It helps you make informed decisions about purchases and take advantage of special offers. It's also a great example of how English is used in marketing to create a sense of urgency. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, deal expires soon. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, language is all about context, and phrases like these are great examples of English in everyday use. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.